2 days ago. There's no way.
Outside like stinking shoes.
Outside like stinking shoes after a wet fit, make sure your laces up and your tongue pull forward.
Pill get pop, I'ma sing with ease. Go on your knees and sing with keys.
Yo, stop.
Hey, virgin glue, hey, demon crease. Pussy jump like rabbit when the money talk. Tonya bitch I got it, now she love it dark. Chojad me ever got it, but she love it raw. Say she want see me soul, so me coming on. Say she love it sinner, yeah she love it stars. Me no believe in her love, God go with that. God go with that. Pill get pop, I'ma sing with ease. Go on your knees and sing with keys. Hey virgin glue, hey demon grease. Do it for the love, she not do it for the cheese. Pill get pop, I'ma sing with ease. Go on your knees and sing with keys. Hey virgin glue, hey demon grease. Do it for the love, she not do it for the cheese.
Man, I don't know the vibes today. Just going on the road, cooling. One of my partner them pull up just now. So we just about to vibe out. Yo! We about to vibe out. We're supposed to have a little food sale today too. It might be a little too late because they say 1 o'clock and I here at 1:50 something. So you never know. Never mind. I folk look like it late now. No. Full up. Oh, you didn't? Huh?
But so long I see Sadiq, how I gonna know who he is?
How you doing? How you doing?
Well, my God.
Hello, how you doing? How you doing? I good.
Lemonade. Only lemonade. And this one.
You saying anything? Wait, this Rasta man. Everything blessed? You just pull up.
Yeah, I just messaged you.
I literally just leave my house, man. What am I selling?
I think we got food too.
Big Ed.
Nah, tomorrow.
Oh. Say honeybee. Who's honeybee? What? Alright, hold on, let me get another thing. Okay. White tails we eating today. Miss, hey you. That's the boy? You want that's the boy? How come it's always beef with me and you? Huh? How come it's always beef? Good? He's everything better, bro? He's there, probably. Yeah, man. Oh, this money is let me go ahead. But come right back. Roughing it. Tell the vlog heal up, man.
Yo, what's good, bro? Yo, excited, man.
Yeah, man. Don't know. This is my own, huh?
Yeah, man. Cranberry juice.
What kind of shot this is? Well, you don't look chill, man.
Cool, that's the Patron.
That's the Patron.
Yeah.
Only chill tequila on here.
I might probably to just be making noise so that they just point the name.
Oh, them man not chill your shot specifically.
You funny.
Tito's, yeah.
You gonna sweat? I don't feel like I just sweat immediately when I take off. Fucking running.
You're going down already be sweating from the time you walk outside the house after you come out of the shower. So.
Tito's and Anguilla heat.
Not Anguilla heat alone. How hot is St. Thomas?
How hot is St. Thomas?
I know St.thomas. How does it? Well,
Yeah,
listen, brothers,
yeah, yeah, brothers,
Yeah,
yeah,
brothers.
yeah. Yeah, I
How
live
much I
in
got?
I live up in Florida now.
You got Florida. But Florida, the hot so fucking.
It's for all the shots.
Can I see my money, girl? You have some money for me? Florida hot bad.
Yo, hold on, let me move this. You coming to where, fam?
Where you are? Y'all already? Where y'all are?
Alright, let me go there.
That's what happening. A shrimp pizza, a chicken burger, and a plain wings.
Chicken.
No, a cheeseburger, my bad. Just $35.
Yeah, man. We got like.
What am I dealing with today?
He just asked me.
If we come with Matt, good, Anguilla.
You said boat racing like that?
Today? Yeah. What time is that? 3 o'clock?
Yeah. I think I see you last year. You were hanging up here.
They still got boat
You hanging up here
racing.
with the flash that give from my house.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. How was it?
She went my house.
Yeah.
Why you said the season? What should be those? It should be the season to come.
No, she had man. She had sure when it comes.
Who whip up?
No, you see man.
Carnage is still out here too?
Check it out.
They playing any place or they just right now? Just right there.
Yeah, that's Moma niece.
Yeah,
for your foot. Yeah.
Forget.
Thank you very much.
Kelly. Yeah.
She just come get back some of my money from me.
Horse.
Yeah.
But you gotta sing that stuff. No, thing like what you sound like that. You don't sing them.
Going back to the same shit.
That's what I can do.
Nothing like that. I'm here to get tune.
On my accent?
Yeah. You got it.
Bro, I got switch for you. I got $20,000.
No, he ain't signed no way. I don't switch my phone. I ain't fit. I don't switch my phone. Yeah, I ain't fit. Yeah, I want to be unique. I want to be unique. Depends on the money people like talk. The money people like talk.
This is yours?
Yeah, what you saying? I talk a little slow from.
Is that yours?
I ain't changed it up. I just talk a little slow.
Let me get one more.
I ain't gonna change the one. Just talk a little slow.
Let me get another.
But let me give me the money. I ain't talking
Yeah,
no way for They got top give me money.
This is what you tell me.
Yeah,
So I just go in what you tell me. You check. Yeah, man.
Man, my money I just get for. Man, give me at least be a told to hear me.
You see?
Nah, we got some money in the storeroom. Kevin or no? Kevin's son, no? I hard talking to me already.
Kevin here?
Nah, he ain't. It's just me.
So what you doing?
Good.
Just me
No,
for
but
right
he
now.
only that would pay for that.
Huh?
That's for the ones who last one.
And you give me your cup.
Nah, that is it.
That's for the ones who last one.
But you see a boy, brother.
Wait for
He
alcohol.
spent $2. He spent $2.
I'm more than $2. Somebody come in.
Give me some one to Mr. Drink with them too. Give me some one. Mr. Drink with the customers.
They really make me feel better if you drink.
Missy, he trying to get you drunk.
I like drinking on myself.
Listen. That's the new family. You know you're ready? You know your
To the top, to the bottom.
Exactly. So you can take a shot with me.
To the gas station.
They want the carnival.
He ain't eat yet, so he waiting for food first before he start going crazy.
A burrito.
What the boy do you want?
Yeah, you can order food there too if you want food.
Chicken and steak.
Oh,
You got chicken steak burrito?
Yeah.
Yo, you eating it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that before?
okay.
Nah, I had the chicken and
Let me know
bacon.
now already.
So you want chicken ready?
Steak. Yeah. No guacamole. No beans and salsa.
What the fucking boy do you want? You want these
Just
things?
so meat and rice.
So just rice.
Yeah. And a pickle.
Okay. Oy. Alcohol in. Good thing I only now start recording. Nah, I just saying, like, only now I start recording. full of hams. It's a big dog. I gotta blow up all these license plates. I gotta blow up every single license plate. Fuck is a fuck. Once I learn how to like do it, I don't think it'd be that hard to do. I can just copy and paste. So right now, oh shit, this fix the exposure. But right now we out to the east. I don't even know where the fuck we is right now, but we just had cooling. We're going on the beach just to see the vibes. Close to the boats and everything. I wish I had bring my drone, but I didn't. So we ain't gonna get no much drone content for this trip, but still gonna be there to the vibes.
Something very great. We only have one life, something very great.